Hello guys, welcome to the daily market analysis video. My name is Apoor. So let's begin our analysis. I daily make swing trade videos, positional trade videos, and long-term ideas for you guys in order to make some money combinedly. Now, before starting this video, I'm aiming for 60 likes for this video. So whosoever is watching the video, just click on the like button. Now come back to the video, and if you have any doubts or anything you want to ask me, anything you want to share, you might be your chart that you want to share, that follow me on my Telegram. Link is in the description. It looks like this. Okay, we have great discussions, like people share their charts in the posts that I post. For example, I posted that Lumex is now giving 22% return from my entry. Okay, now Lumex Auto was the stock that I took with you guys, and it is now at 22%. We took it at the right time. We sat for almost how many days? Almost 3 months, 2 months, 2 to 3 months, right? And now we got 22% returns from Lumex Auto, and that was a very crazy good stock it was. Okay, because we made good money in the past also. So yeah, Telegram link is in the description. You guys can make discussions, make sure yourself comfortable on my Telegram, and make yourself your free trade buddy alert or anything that you want to say. Because whenever there is a stock that I'm discussing, if it is activated already, then that's a trade that you can take on your own or discuss it with me on Telegram. It's not a call or anything. Okay, it's just a trade discussion that you can do with me. Okay, also, if any trade that I tell you guys, for example, if this trade would have been here somewhere around this area, and then this candle comes into the picture, something like this, then I would have notified it on the Telegram. So I'm kind of alert system for you guys as well. So Telegram is good. Do follow me on the Telegram. We'll see you there. Okay, now starting the video, guys. So the history of the stock goes something like around in 2016 the stock made a double top type pattern here. Okay, it toppled out here and then created this neckline type of formation where it retested itself again 2 times. That means again a kind of a double top here and then again. So basically a full time downtrending stock it is, and slowly and steadily it picked up momentum, consolidated bearish flag pattern, gave a downside momentum, and then finally it created a higher low formation on the weekly time frames, and then gave breakouts here and started moving on the higher side, consolidations on the higher side, and jumping on the higher side. Now in terms of volumes, you can see the volumes clearly shrinked after the launch of the stock when it was falling. Okay, people who put their money here, they either they started taking it out, or most of the people were still in the stock. Why? Because see, you rarely see such huge red candle spike when the stock is falling, but when the stock starts moving up, people might have been averaging it out or something like that, because the volumes are huge. Also institutional players come into the game. Okay, that's why stock started moving on the higher side. It consolidated, more volume comes, it moves up, even higher volume comes in. Now you guys can see that the highest volume of its lifetime is there. Highest volume of its lifetime on the weekly time frame is there in this particular stock. Now if you ask me, this is a very good consolidation. It's a kind of a descending triangle pattern type formation as well. Okay, and a breakout first of all. Okay, now that's first thing. That's the pattern that we discussed. Okay, now if you talk about the lows, then all the lows of, see, whenever, see, after this big movement, okay, this fall, and after this movement, this fall, this movement, this fall. So all these falls, you guys can see that these are either same lows, okay, or a bit higher. These are same lows or a bit higher lows. Okay, so in two of these things, like either it's the higher low or the same low. Okay, that is telling that the stock doesn't want to go down below, doesn't want to go below this area. Okay, it went till 82, then it made a base at 92. Okay, so that's what the stock is telling. Now the volumes are sharp, volumes are really heavy at this point. 13 million volume, it never goes to 13 million. Okay, when it was moving higher and higher, then at that time it was giving. So my trade idea goes like something like this: a 19% stoppage to a 35% target, okay, is what I'm aiming for this particular stock. Or you can also aim for a higher high in this stock. Now if you make a resistance line from this particular area, something like this, okay, something like a resistance line, okay, you will be able to find out one more target. So I'm making two targets for you. Okay, so these are two targets for you. One will be 1:1 risk reward ratio. Okay, what can happen is in long term it can go like this. So for that case, book some profit here. Okay, now what can also happen is it can consolidate, come down, come move up, and like that, or it can directly come down and then slowly, steadily moving on the higher side. Something like this can happen in the stock. Okay, so that's why always good to exit at certain levels. Like 25% is a good level to exit if it starts moving on the higher side. Otherwise, stop loss is this. You guys know about the stop losses, right? Red is stop loss, green is that line. So target number one, target number two, and then target for target number three, I'll be making a Fibonacci extension level, something like this. And you guys can see that this is target number three. Okay, and that's like huge. That's high, even higher. Okay, around what levels? That will be 50%. So that's a lot. So if it continues its trend, if it starts moving on the higher side, it might reach the 50% mark as well. I don't know how much time, because in Lumex also I never knew how much time it will take for the Lumex auto stock to come to go on the higher side or something like this. Okay, but it took almost 3 months, or I don't know, 4 months. Okay, same goes for JBMA. It took 6 7 months, okay, to reach my final target of how much, 50%, and now it's trading at 75%, right? So yeah, this target, I don't know how much time it will take, but it's a possible potential positional slash swing trade idea. If you guys like this idea, then definitely punch on the like button. Make sure it gets 60 likes for the hard work, for the stock picking that I'm doing for you and the analysis I'm making for you guys. And make sure that you follow me on the Telegram. That will justify my work. The more the people follow me on the Telegram, more my work will be justified. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you on Telegram with more charts and discussions. Thank you so much.